bunch of air. So just give me a minute and give me like 5 minutes and there's gonna be a crazy burp, okay? But you just have to like, just trust the process. Ready? Okay, I just swallowed a bunch of air. My stomach feels like shit. Give me like 5 minutes and I'll let out the craziest burp, you guys. Anyways, where are you from? I'm from Canada. What grade are you in? I told you guys to trust the process. That's the only thing I could think of. That's funny. Just give me like 5 minutes, guys. It hurts your tummy when you do this, and then it feels so good. You got OnlyFans. Hold on, guys. This burp is not 5 years ago. Thank you guys so much for the gifts. Again, I am falling back top gifter. Okay, guys, I'm trying to burp. It's not coming out. I'm sorry. You just gotta swallow air. Literally just like...